In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable PayPal on Shopify. Connecting PayPal to your Shopify store is a great way to give your customers more payment options and help increase your conversions. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and by the end, PayPal will be ready for customers to use at checkout. First, make sure you're logged into your Shopify account as an admin. From there, go to your Shopify dashboard. This is the main home screen where you can see your orders, products, and store overview. If you're not on this page yet, just log into your store and you'll land right on the dashboard. Next, we need to open the settings area where all your store configuration lives. Look towards the bottom left corner of your dashboard and click on Settings. This is where Shopify keeps things like payments, shipping, and checkout options. So we'll be spending most of our time here. Once the settings page opens, find and click on Payments. This section controls which payment methods are available to your customers, such as credit cards, digital wallets, and of course, PayPal. Take a second to let the page load completely so you can see all the available providers. On the payments page, look for the PayPal section. You should see an option to activate PayPal as a payment method. Click on Activate PayPal. If PayPal isn't already connected to your store, this button is what starts that connection process. After that, Shopify will show you more details about the PayPal integration. Here, you'll typically see a button simply labeled Activate. Go ahead and click on Activate. This tells Shopify that you want to link a PayPal account and use it for accepting payments. At this point, you'll be redirected to a PayPal setup page. Here, you'll need to enter the email address you want associated with your PayPal business account and select your region or country. Make sure you use an email you have access to and that it's the same one you plan to use for your store's PayPal activity. Once you've entered your email and chosen your region, click. Next to continue. From here, just follow the on-screen prompts from PayPal to complete any remaining account or business details. When you're done, you'll be brought back to Shopify, and PayPal will be enabled as a payment option on your store.